Hey everyone, this is Bryant, and we're continuing our roller coaster road trip here in Branson. So instead of just showing you guys Silver Dollar City, we're actually going to show you a couple other of the awesome attractions that can be found here in Branson if you're visiting. So the first one we're going to look at here is Bigfoot on the Strip, and basically what this is it's all kinds of stuff. There is an arcade, there is a drop tower, there's a slingshot ride, there is a maze, there is mini golf, all kinds of stuff. And there are kind of some bizarre things about this place that make it more awesome than normal. I know what you're thinking, I can ride a drop tower anywhere. Well, this drop tower only has seatbelts, so instead of over the shoulders, it gives you a way more intense ride. And we've been lucky enough, they are allowing us to do a POV, so I'm going to get to show you guys kind of how it is. It is in the dark, but hopefully you guys can see just how cool it is. And we'll show you guys kind of around the rest of the attraction as well, and you can see some of the other cool stuff. Just showing you guys the pricing real quick, you can kind of get an idea. The Gravity Bomb is the drop tower, the Super Sling is the slingshot ride. They have the Yeti Fun Zone, they have an 8DI movie attraction. You can kind of see the packages. We're probably going to go with the Action Pass there in the lower right hand, which gives you unlimited rides on the Super Sling and the Gravity Bomb for only $24.95. That's a really good deal when you look at the individual pricing, but we can also show you around kind of some of the other stuff as well. I know this lighting is absolutely insane, but I wanted to show you guys kind of where you actually sit and how they strap you in, because it's just seatbelt. And I know what you guys are thinking, this might not be safe. It's perfectly safe. Fantastic ride. There are multiple seat belts, so perfectly safe. Now we're gonna watch them head up the lift. Here they go. And as I said, 200-foot tall tower.
Help us spread the word that Bigfoot is.
And this is pure free fall. If you guys go to Fiesta, Texas or over Texas, you ride Superman Tower of Power, you ride Scream. Not true free fall attractions. This is a way more intense attraction. Almost to the top. All right, they're about to drop. There they go. Oh! Look at those happy faces. All right, guys, here we go. We're going up the Gravity Bomb. This is a 200-foot tall free fall drop tower, playing intimidating music. As we go up, you get a great shot of Branson. I know it's dark outside. There are no over the shoulders, nothing to hold on to except your dignity. And it's a little nerve-wracking. We're getting pretty close to the top. Just imagine only wearing a seatbelt as you're about to plummet to the ground. Oh man, here we go. Oh man, so intense. Whew. All right guys, I'm gonna show you a second POV. Just tilt it down a little bit because I want you guys to actually see some of the attractions. If you look over here, that's part of the mini golf. This is kind of the maze area, and then over to the right is where you can do the Yeti jump. Now as you can see, it's quite a party here at night. But that maze is insane. The mini golf looks really fun. And this will give you guys kind of maybe more of an idea of how far up in the air we actually are. We're pretty high up in the air, 200 feet. Seat belts only. Here comes the drop. It doesn't get easier any time you do it. Oh yeah! Oh man! Oh! Alright everyone, we're over here at the other side of the tower. This attraction is called the Super Sling. It is a slingshot attraction. You sit back to back. They launch you up to about 170 feet in the air, and you go spinning crazy. He's getting them strapped in right now, getting them ready to go, and then we'll check it out in action. All right, they're about to launch. Oh man, this one is nerve-wracking.
This is kind of like that tripod thing.
There they go. Flipping back and forth. Complete insanity. Oh man, I'm really nervous about this. In a good way, of course. I'm going to show you guys one more cycle of this insane ride, and then I'm going to get on it, I guess. There they go.
So that's why I look like hanging on.
Oh man. Insane.
I think she's like holding back, doing different things.
All right, y'all, let's go get on this thing.
This time. I think I'll pick your feet up for just a second, tuck them under you. All right, you can put them back down. Caitlin clearly needs to be eating more Taco Bell back there.
I need to actually be eating less Taco Bell. So.
That's nonsense. Taco Bell's a way of life.
You think that way until...
All right, we'll try one more time. Feet up for me, tuck them under you. Perfect, we're good.
Good one.
See ya.
Oh man. This is insane.
Wasn't too bad, was it?
Nah. So there is a 250-pound weight limit for the Yeti Fun Zone, which includes the monkey jump right here. So I'm honestly pushing that weight limit, so having my friend Joseph actually show you how this works. So you do go through a maze, and then at the end you come up to the top and then jump down. All right, we have a better view. Here goes the monkey jump. That was pretty awesome. Wanted to give you guys just kind of a quick look at their mini golf. It's pretty awesome, Bigfoot themed. Looks like a lot of fun. Also, if you whip over here, you can see kind of this truck over here. They actually do adventure tours, and they're going to start a new Bigfoot hunt really soon. So we're gonna put the link to their website in the description of this video if you guys want to check out all their attractions and potentially plan on coming out here. This building behind here is the arcade. They also have a dark ride theater in there. So just all kinds of stuff to do. So make sure you guys come check out Bigfoot on the Strip. Absolutely amazing place, run by some really fantastic people. We had a great time, and we've been here multiple times. It's a great place. All right, y'all, that's gonna do it from Bigfoot on the Strip here in Branson, Missouri. As I said, a completely amazing place. There's so much to do, and the people that run this place are just fantastic. They have great hospitality. They told us all kinds of great information about the attractions. Unfortunately, we didn't get to do everything. There's just so much to do. We definitely want to come back here in the future. So if one of the attractions I talked about that we didn't do you want to know about, let us know in the comments, and we can maybe plan to do that in the future. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below. You can also check out their main website, like I said, in the description. Thanks for watching.